Man, it's raining. I was going to work on this thing today, but it's raining out here. It is raining out here, guys. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Let me go. I want to get my camera wet. We're going to do some work, guys. Hopefully nothing ain't in here, 'cause it will attack me. Oh, that's good. Ain't nothing here. I think I'm still getting here for a second, guys. Probably. A little tripod right there. I was looking for that. Had to use my other one. Ain't much we can do today. It's raining out here. Then I got an appointment to go to soon, so I'm gonna come out here for a second. Yeah. You see? Let me see something here. I didn't bolt all these screws in down here, guys. I want to hurry and get this thing completed. I want to get this thing done. Hear me? I really do. And I get this thing done. Thing will have adjustment, right? I'm taking my other tripod, guys. Give me a second here. Oh. Let me match that little button and adjust it. You see my hands? Yeah, sit right there for a second, guys. Sit right there for a second. Right there, that bolt. We're gonna screw that in here. I know this is terrible. This is not how professionals supposed to be, right? And I am a professional. Oh, I'm a professional, you see. I am a professional. You see? But it's raining outside. And I don't know where all my tools are. You see? I don't know. I don't know what all my tools at, you see? You see? But let's screw that in right there. Screw it back out. Now screw it. Oh, what's going on here? Wait a minute. That screw don't want to go in. Can't force it. There we go. No, that ain't where we go. I thought that was it. That's not it. That crooked or I'm not wrong. Whoa. I guess that's how box should be right there, right? Nah, that's too tight. That's not going in right there. That is not going in right. That is not right. So I'm gonna leave that out for it now. Let's get to this one. Y'all see that one? I don't know if y'all see that. Yeah, that one. Whoa. that even going in? I think it is. Yeah, it is. I gotta remember to tighten all these things up too. All of them. Guess we ain't gotta go too crazy tight. We ain't gotta go crazy tight, but let's see. This one right here, I don't know what's the problem. Do we even have the right screw? That's right, I'm pretty sure that's right. Let's try this one. That's right. Let's try it. Oh, this one, bro. I don't know about that one. I don't know. I don't want to mess nothing up, script no bolts. But, nah, that ain't right. Bag it out. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that out for right now. Yeah. Ain't a good time for that. Ain't a good time for that. This, I have to get this. This thing, man, I haven't looked it up yet, but it's weird. I gotta go see how I got that off, guys. You know, let's hit the professional voice. I gotta see how I got that off, you see. It is weird. It don't even come close to it. See, it don't come close to it. It's a big gap there. You see? So I gotta figure that out. I gotta see what I did wrong, you see. I gotta figure that out. And I know it's a screw back here. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. I gotta go from the outside the hood and put that in. Put that screw in. Because we want to make sure we get all these screws in, you see. Then we can finally put the pad over here. We can put the pad on here and everything will be good. I still don't know what this one is, so I'm not going to worry about it at this point. But it's not going to hurt, you see, by putting the pad in for this one. And I realized that this got to go to the glove box, you see. Got light in the glove box. Basic. And we found that one. I plugged it in. Yeah. So I think we almost ready to go. But I don't want to put the dash pad in until I get that hooked to the rack and pinion, the stern column, see? I gotta get that hooked up. I gotta figure that out. I gotta figure it out, you see? I gotta figure it out. But it's raining out here. You'll see, it's raining. But let's see. We gotta put these two bolts in out here. The ones that goes behind here. Yeah. Here's one. Gotta put it in, you see. Let's see. Goes in smooth. Yeah. That goes in smooth. Okay, let's do this one. Should go in smooth as well. And it does. Yeah, it goes in smooth as well. What is that? I don't think that's a 10. 12, maybe. I don't think it's a 13, but it might be. It might be a 13. Starting to pick up rain out here, guys. And I'm doing this for you guys. I said I didn't get a video out yesterday, so I better do one today. Rain, sleet, or snow. Yeah? You see? So that's what we're doing. I don't want to get my camera so wet that it breaks on me, though. I don't want to do that. So I got to put you guys in here, come like this. Still see that hand action? Huh? Yeah. You see that hand action? You see? Hand action. Let's move this back here. Now that's as far as the door goes, you see? Let me see. I don't think I'll be able to get mine. Okay, hold on. You guys sit right here for a second. Look up at the stern column under there while I try this. Okay. Okay. Tighten that up like that. I'm gonna put that pretty tight there. I don't want to get it too tight. We don't need to be crazy tight. I think that's good enough. So those are good. Plug that back in there. Yeah. Get the next one, you see. Put it on, you see. So we got that good. One step closer to getting the dash panel done. One step closer. Throw that over there. Go around the other side, you see. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, let's put the other one in, you see. Let's put this one in. Uh-oh. Okay, we have some trouble over here. Excuse me. I think we got some trouble on this side, guys. It's not lined up perfect. Okay. Let's see the bottom, excuse me. No, I can feel it. We are not lined up perfect over here, guys. Something is still not right on this side. Something is still not right on this side, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what it is. Yeah? Let's see. Maybe I'm just not putting it in right. That's what she said. Okay. Oh man, that's not right. Oh boy. Okay. Oh Lord, what are we going to do? This is not right. This is not right. Oh. One move and you will split your hands wide open. I will split my hands wide open. Any of this stuff can cut your skin just by rubbing across it fast. So you got to be careful when you mess with this stuff right here. Okay, guys? Okay? You got to be careful, you see? You have to be careful. You know? You got to be careful. I don't know what's going on here, but I don't like it. You see, I can't see back there good, but it feels like it's not angled right. And it's raining out here. I can't put my camera here. See, that seems crooked. It don't seem crooked, it is crooked, you see? It's like it's not in further enough. Well, it's not in further enough. It's not in far enough. That's why it's crooked. That screw is crooked. So this side, it's not right, guys. So I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. It's a short one because it's raining out here. It's a short one because it's raining out here. Because I would have found that out. I would have found it out and I would have fixed that problem, you see? I would fix that problem. I don't know if we gotta adjust it. I don't know. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking maybe, just maybe, there's a screw somewhere that is loose, you see. And the dash, one part of it is pushed up against that bolt. Yeah, and it's not allowing it to go all the way back. So I gotta find that bolt, you see. I gotta find that bolt. So okay, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one when we're back in the yard, baby. We finally got that thing in and it's looking good, but we gotta get it all the way in and bolt it down. Okay, like, comment, share, subscribe, you see, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. The yard. Peace, baby.